It's time to learn the simple steps to getting your equipment set up, powered on, and ready for action.
So we've got the Gulfstream 350 out of the case and we've got it on a platform. It can be on top of the case, it can be on the ground, it can be really anywhere you put it so long as it's flat and level. So now that we've got it out, we're gonna get it all hooked up. The first thing we wanna do is hook up our air hose, which is right here. And then once we've got the air hose hooked up, we always wanna make sure that we get our safety pin in place. And then we're gonna hook up our battery, which will automatically turn on the electronics. Once that's set up, then we're going to open up the air block. So once we've got the air block open, we're going to install the duct clamp and the duct seal. The duct clamp sits out at the end like this. And you want to screw the bottom in. And the way you're going to know the difference between the duct clamp and the duct seal is that the duct seal is going to have the black seals in it, and the duct clamp is just going to have a series of teeth that will bite into the duct to hold it in place. There's really only one way to install it, so you can't mess it up at all. There we go. So those are in. Now that we've got this in place, we're going to put the duct into the duct clamp. We're going to line that up so that it sits in the clamp, but it's also lining up with the duct seals. The critical part is we want to get it clamped down first so that the duct doesn't move around on us. We're going to go ahead and get this locked in good and tight, but we don't have to clamp it all the way down. It doesn't have to be metal on metal. We just need to get it tight enough so that the teeth really bite into it. But we don't need to get it so tight that it starts to deform the duct around it. So we've got our basic setup. After this, it branches off into different areas depending on what you're going to be doing: pressure testing, proofing, or installing cable. Those will be featured in the videos for those topics.